Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how we make our tomato essence, which from it we make our tomato puree, and also we'll show you or we'll give you ideas how to make a tomato paste if you like. And from our tomato puree, of course, you can make your tomato sauce. Hi guys, Manny from Gourmet Takeaway. Today we're gonna be showing you how we do our tomato essence and our tomato puree and tomato paste. But first, if you like, you can subscribe or join us on Facebook or YouTube channel. We appreciate if you subscribe to our YouTube channel because that will help us bring you more recipe and food ideas. Okay, thank you. Okay, for our essence of tomato, and from which we make tomato puree, tomato paste, tomato sauce. So the recipe will be published, written recipe will be published on one of our social media channels, either Facebook or YouTube. So check it out. We'll post the link for you. And let's show you how we do our tomato essence. Okay, let's do this. Here we are. We just harvested this beautiful tomatoes. These tomatoes plum tomatoes are very good to make tomato sauce with it. You can make tomato sauce, tomato puree, tomato paste, whatever. So today we just washed these here, and now we have Joyce with us here. She's gonna show us what to do. What she does is she cuts the tomatoes and she seeds them. She takes the seeds out and then she cuts them and she puts them there. See, this is what we gonna be ending up with, and then what we do with these, we cook it to make processor. Oh, then we process this in a food processor and then we cook it, right? All right, we will
sample.
Yeah, we will keep posting, telling you how to do this and how to make different sauces with basic sauce. Well, of course, making tomato sauce or any other vegetable product, it depends totally on the quality of your vegetables. In our case, we have a beautiful organic garden, so we have plenty of tomatoes and other stuff we use in our cooking. So here we are. Joyce finished cleaning, taking the seeds of the plum tomatoes, and here we're gonna process it. And here we are after processing the first batch. It's supposed to look like that, see? Nice. The reason Joyce takes the seeds out, and that will eliminate straining in the second phase. And here she is. She's gonna put them in a pot. After she process all the tomatoes, then she's gonna be cooking them. So here we do these things at home. We are two professional chefs, And that's the reason Joyce is not wearing any gloves, because she washes her hands, and this is for our own consumption. And here we are. This is we're almost done pureeing the tomatoes. And now, okay, so now what we gonna do is this tomato puree, we gonna cook it and reduce it by almost 50% to make beautiful basic sauce. Of course, you can buy tomato purees commercially, but you know, there's nothing like sauce, you know, especially from your own garden. I mean, the taste is so different and so delicious. So after we reduce this, you'll have a basic sauce, and from that sauce you could do many recipes that call for tomato product. So here's the puree is boiling and reducing, and it looks beautiful, nice color. So we'll continue cooking it till almost 50% reduction. And if you want to make tomato paste, you reduce it by 75, but you have to be very careful, and you have to be right at the pot and stirring all the time. Okay, we'll wait until the right consistency. And here we are. We are continuing cooking the essence of the tomato that we start preparing. And from this essence, we could do tomato puree, tomato paste, and tomato sauce. And we will be showing you these stages as we go along. Here is our tomato essence that Joyce prepared for us. And as you can see, it's on the essence type stage now, and it reduced by 50%. So we used maybe about 16 pounds of tomatoes, and after we seeding it and chopping it and processing it in the food processor and cooking it and reducing it by 50%.
About 1 hour.
It took about an hour to reduce it to that stage. And from this essence, as we mentioned, you could do your
Garlic, onions.
tomato puree, tomato paste, tomato sauce. Of course, when you start doing the tomato puree or the tomato sauce, you're gonna be doing using different seasoning and herbs and stuff like that to really make your sauce and puree. But we will show you as we go along. So now the essence of the tomato is ready for us to use with any recipe we want. We could turn it into tomato puree, and from tomato puree we can make tomato sauce. Or if you want to make tomato paste, what you do is you reduce this to 1/3 the essence, 50%. Now we have to, then what you do is you take this essence here and you reduce it by 2/3, but you have to stay right on the pot, and you kind of keep on stirring until the desired consistency. Okay, if you like our video, you can prescribe, and as I said before, subscribe, is it? Okay, you can subscribe, and or you can join us on Facebook/Gourmet Takeaway for more information and to know more about us. Okay, bye for now. Here we are. Now we put our essence in containers. I think we made about 14 cups out of the 16 pounds of tomatoes. It's usually, it's a good idea to use a very good quality tomatoes to make your essence, and from there we're gonna do the tomato puree and tomato sauce and tomato paste if desired. Of course, these stages they have their own seasoning and herbs and veggies to add to, and we will be showing you this in a different video. But that's how tomato essence is made. It's very simple. All you have to do is have a good quality tomato, and preferably plum tomatoes. So we're gonna be freezing these, and of course before we use them we always defrost them, and then we use them with any recipe that requires tomato. Alrighty, and okay, we'll be talking to you later, and hopefully you join us and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We'll see you later. Bye.